What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I am going to be bringing you an after dark power hour. Now as you can see, my room is a hot mess. I've got clothes everywhere, I've got shoes, I've got diapers, I've got drinks, I've got laundry galore. I've just got it all, and I just need to get it together before I go to sleep. So without further ado, let's just jump right into today's video. I know I cannot be the only one who does this, but I literally put all of our laundry in the crib. I don't know what it is, and it's not like my daughter is actually even really using the crib right now. We're really co-sleeping with her, but yeah, it's becoming a little out of control, and I just need to get it together and stop doing this. I really just need to pick up some laundry baskets because I only have one, and it kind of fell apart, and it's just a mess, as well as some new hampers because ours are a mess. It's a time to get some new ones and stop playing. Returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. I really appreciate you. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button as well as that bell button so you guys don't miss out on any future uploads. I know I am not the only mom who will breastfeed and fold laundry. Now this right here is definitely a challenge when you are multitasking and breastfeeding. I usually don't try to do this, but I just had to get this stuff done. I'm under a time frame. I've only got an hour to get this stuff done, and yeah, baby girl, she's right there along with me throughout this whole entire video, so you guys just enjoy watching her. I'm pretty sure you're wondering why my mattress is on the floor, but I actually have a video all about that. I recently just bought a brand new mattress and I did a little unboxing, so I will put up a card right here for you guys so you guys can go ahead and check that out as well. if you haven't already, make sure you guys are following over on Instagram to keep up with me a little bit more and get to know me on a better level. Okay, are you guys still with me? If you're still with me, put a crown emoji or like a queen royalty emoji down in the comments just so I know that you are still with me. But we are almost done with this laundry. I know I told you guys it was a lot. But we are almost done putting away the laundry, and then we're going to go ahead and clean up this room. So finally, I am done folding and putting away all of the clothes. I think I am at least. But I'm going to go ahead and make my bed because your girl is not trying to mess with her brand new mattress. If you guys have not seen my finally upgrading my master bedroom video, I will put a card here at the top for you guys to check it out once you guys are done watching this. I did a complete unboxing and I had a little inspiration in that video as well. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out as well. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ryan. I am a wife, a stay-at-home mom, and an entrepreneur. I like to make content such as cleaning motivation, organization, as well as some decor, fashion, and a little bit of glam here and there. I really enjoy making content like this for you guys, and if you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join me for the rest of this journey. So that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.